Hello students, I'm Chirojit Bhattacharjee, your drawing and painting teacher. Would like to welcome you all in our online drawing classes of Lakshmi Singhania School, Kakroli, Rajasthan for class 12th A, B and C. In our last video, I have discussed with you regarding the beginning of the Indian miniature painting and important school of miniature painting like Pala and Joint School of Miniature Painting. In today's video, I will discuss with you regarding Rajasthani School of Miniature Painting, the first chapter of Unit 1. In this video, you will learn origin and development of Rajasthani School of Miniature Painting, main features of the Rajasthani School of Miniature Painting, major school of Rajasthani School of Miniature Painting. So let's start our discussion. Rajasthani School of Miniature Painting, Origin and Development. It is a Hindu style of miniature painting developed in northwest part of India. Rajput painting, also called Rajasthani painting, evolved and flourished in Indian royal court of Rajputana. Each Rajputana kingdom evolved a distinct style but with certain common features. Rajput painting depict a number of theme events of epics like Ramayana. Art historian A.K. Kumarsamy divided Rajasthani school of miniature painting into two parts, Rajputana and Pahari, based on the geographical and stylistic ground. Uh, Art historian A.K. Kumarsamy divided Rajasthani painting into two parts based on the geographical location. One is Pahari and another is Rajasthani. So we are studying Rajasthani school of miniature painting. Later on we will study Pahari school of miniature painting. According to him, Rajasthani painting was spreaded widely from Bikaner to the border of Gujarat and from Jodhpur to Gwalior and Ujjaini. Now you can understand how much area this painting covered. It is Bikaner to border of Gujarat and Jodhpur to Gwalior and Ujjaini. Many part of Western school recognize that the Rajasthani style flourished in various princely states after the downfall of Mughal Empire. From the later half of 16th century to 19th century, Rajasthani painting flourished. What is the time period of Rajasthani painting? 16th century to 19th century is the time period when Rajasthani painting flourished actually. According to some scholar, Rajasthani style of painting was emerged from Upper Brahmasha is a Jain style in Gujarat and was influenced by the Kashmiri style in 15th century. Mainly Rajasthani painting evolved or flourished during 16th century to 19th century, and from which style it Rajasthani painting come in exist, that is Upper Brahmasha of Gujarati style, that is Jain style, and also influenced by the Kashmiri style in 15th century. The major factor contributes greatly to the development of Rajasthani painting. First, the economic prosperity enjoyed by the commercial community of the Rajasthan, and secondly, the revivalism of the Vaishnavism and growth of Bhakti cult. What is the major factor for which this Rajasthani painting evolved? It is due to the Vaishnavism and growth of Bhakti cult. This is few lines I have written. Rajasthani and Pahari Valley paintings are gradually influenced by the advance of the Ramananda, Tulsidas and Kabir. So this is the history written how this Rajasthani painting developed. You just read it from what epics or love story or folk tales they have illustrated in the manuscript painting. I have written down. You read it. This PDF will be available in my Google class. So this is the if the question will come, How did Rajasthani painting develop, then originated or developed, then you have to write down this much. And now I'm telling you the features of the Rajasthani painting. Features of Rajasthani paintings. Paintings are two dimensional. You know what is two dimensional and three dimensional? There is no use of light and shade and perspective. That is why those painting are two dimensional. The painting are two dimensional with simplification of line and flat color. They have used simple line and flat color for their painting. Color have been used harmoniously and with special meaning of individual color. The color which used in the Rajasthani painting, this color has some individual meaning. Suppose they use red for symbolically, green also for symbolize something like this. They whatever color they have used in their painting, every color symbolize or symbolically represent some meaning. They have used bright red, blue, yellow, and green color in composition, and gold and silver color have been directly used to add special glamour to those paintings. Second, the indigenous style of Rajasthani painting shows a primitive visual of bold outline and brilliant color set in harmonized pattern. So, in second point, we have got that bold outline and brilliant color are the characteristic features of Rajasthani painting. Rajasthani painting, the symbolic expression of multiple aesthetic sentiments of Indian life, its daily activity, and a sudden flash of emotional thoughts are drawn in a unique way. The Rajasthani painting symbolically express the multiple aesthetic sentiments of Indian life. The daily life and everyday life also a subject of their painting, and certainly they also painted on some emotional or unique thoughts. Composition are very clear and very simple, which are represented through specific musical moods and religious themes with Radha and Krishna, Bhakti cult, etc. These are the subject on which they have made their painting. In Radha Krishna love story and Bhakti cult are the main subject of Rajasthani painting. All figure are in same dimension in complete disregard of perspective. There were no perspective in Rajasthani painting. Women figure are duplicated in same manner as a symbol of femininity with lotus eyes, lotus like eye. They have painted flowing tresses, uh, firm breast, cylinder waist, and rosy hand. These are the characteristic of the woman figure. So now let me tell you important school of, if the question come that what are the main features of Rajasthani painting, then you have to write down these are the characteristic features of Rajasthani painting. Major school of Rajasthani painting: Mewar, Bikaner, Bundi, Kota, Krishnanagar, Jaipur, Jodhpur. These are the uh, these are the important school of Rajasthani painting. This sub school of Rajasthani painting, we'll discuss all those school in our upcoming videos. And what are the important paintings you will study in this Rajasthani painting? These are Radha or Banithani of Krishnanagar school, uh, artist Nihal Chand. Krishna on Swing of Bikaner Sub School, artist Nuruddin. Moruragini of Mewar Sub School, Shahibuddin. Raja Aniruddha Singh Hara, Bundi Sub School, Utkal Ram, artist. Chugan player of Jodhpur Sub School, artist Dana. Bharat meets Ram at Chitrakoot of Jaipur Sub School, artist Guman. These are the few painting we will study um, in our upcoming video. You One thing I'm telling you, you have to remember the name of the painting and name of the artist and from which sub school this painting belong. You have six short question in your final exam. There will be six short question for 1 mark. In those short question may come like this: Radha is a painting belong to which sub school? They will give four name of the sub school, and you have to identify the right one. So try to remember the name of the painting and artist and from which sub school it belong. The important artist of Rajasthani painting are Nuruddin, Nihal Chand, Sabuddin, Utkal Ram, Dana, Guman, and Monohar. These are the few name of the artist of Rajasthani School of Miniature Painting. This PDF will be available in my Google Classroom. That is, and classroom joining code is NKUGXT3. I request to all of you, please join my Google class and download this PDF and make your own note. Uh, if you have any question, any query, ask me in my Google class. I will ready to answer you. If you have any problem, any doubt regarding the videos and the syllabus, you can ask me in my Google Classroom, and everybody should join the Google Classroom. The classroom joining code is NKUGXT3. Very soon we will be uploading our next video where we will cover Mebart School of Miniature Painting. Till date, be safe, stay at home. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.